Good morning, all. I hope you guys are doing great. Student, today topic is spline modeling. Spline modeling is a very important part of 3ds Max for modeling. And now, first, you wanna go to create option. Here is a geometry, and second one is option spline. You can click on a spline option. Here is a spline. When we select a spline option, then go to a object type, and here is the object type, different types of line and a circle and rectangular, stars, text, and other kind of different types of objects. Now, first today we understand how to create line and how to work with line and rectangular and circle tool. Okay. Now select perspective view, control Alt W, press maximize viewport, and here is the option other maximize viewport. I will click on it, and here perspective view is maximized. Then go to cube option. You can easily click on it and rotate all kind of different types of angle. You can easily rotate orbit your complete view with help of cube and here is the other option. Left click on cube option. Okay, when you click left mouse, here is the option left mouse button. Press left mouse button key and then easily rotate your complete perspective orbit view. Very simple. Okay, you can drag out z axis. You can easily minus z and rotate x and rotate y. You can easily place all these things. Okay, here is the other option is orbit sub object. You can also use orbit sub object to rotate your perspective view. Now select okay, now go to align tool and simply you want to do uh, click, then click, then click, then click. If you want your line for curve, so simply click and drag. Simple. Click and drag your left mouse button and easily create the, that kind of curve with help of line tool. Okay. Now when you click line tool, simple press J for hide selection and go to modifier window. Click on modifier. Here is a line option. The first you want to do rendering option. Enable in rendering. You can click on it and enable in viewport. Also you want click on it. When you want click viewport option, your line is visual now. Okay, then go down. Here is the first option is radial. You can also maintain thickness of particular radial. You can also manage of size of curve with different type and different view. Very easy for maintaining all kind of object. Okay, here is the angle option. Right now ignore it. And second thing is right angle. You can easily convert the this particular object to right angle. Okay, the very simple option. Here is the length option. You can manage the length. Here is the width option. You can also manage the width of a particular line and angle. Okay, this is basically a line option. You can easily create a different types of model with help of line tool. It's basically used for exterior interior designing and product designing also. Okay, then go to again spline tool, spline window. Here is the object type, then One other tool is rectangular tool. You can simply click and drag. Okay, easily create a this kind of object. Okay, you can also use of modifier. You can manage height, you can manage the width, you can also create a radial option. We can increase the number of segment. Okay, this kind of object. There is other option is rectangular. You can also manage a rectangular. Okay, then you can go to previous window. Here is a circle option. Okay, now here is other option. Ellipse. You can drag and maintain this kind of shape. Okay, ellipse shape. Here is a arch option. You can easily create arch for modeling, different type of modeling. Okay, here is other n type shape. You can easily manage. Click and drag only. Here is a star. You can manage first height, then create a radius too. The text option is a very important. Okay, we can increase the size. Okay, very simple. Go to a modify window. Is also an important tool to create a modeling for create a modeling, and we can easily manage the length. Okay, first there is the width, and here is a different type of option. First radius 1, radius 2, height radius, and then option of turn. You can manage a turn. Okay, very simple and easy type. You can also copy particular object. Copy this. Okay, then maintain a radius and increase the size of radius. Same. Select radius and press 80. Okay, and here is the height option. You can easily create this kind of shapes with help of LX. Here is a different type of option. First is clockwise, and see you rotate. Okay, now go to again modifier window. Sorry, spline window, and here is the option LX. One other option is okay, create again. Okay, this kind of shape you can create, and here is a selection option. You can create a selection for area. Okay, then go to modifier, press W for selection, move tool, and here is the first window. You can easily create particular this thing to rotate round circle round, and we can easily manage a rectangular, and we have all other options to maintain this x or y value of center and outer. We can manage the thickness of particular this between uh, different type of even one radius. Okay, now we have all other kind of object here, and the very important text. Okay, simply select text, then press Alt W and go to front view and click text to front view. Go to modifier, and here is the first option, render on. You can every time on the render enable to viewport, and here is the option to manage a text. Okay, and the First option is font size format. We can easily change our format with different types of. Okay, you can simply click on and change your format. Okay, now when you select your format, here is the option. You can manage your object. Go to perspective view and press jet button to keyboard, and we can easily view our text. Okay, here is option, first scale option. We can manage the scale of text. Okay, here now the length, the width, then go to, you can also apply a center or underline and italic also. Here is the option size. You can easily manage the size of particular text. Okay, here is the calling and leading the text. Okay, click here for your text. Here it's called animation. You can easily type your text or copy your text here, and directly your text convert to selected font in this kind of output. Okay, here is other different types of formats. We can change our text to different types of formats. Okay, now is a very simple option to create this kind of text animation with very easy way. I hope you guys are understand how to create a text and how to create a different type of spline objects, and how to modify all these things.